How to add stickies in edits. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add stick notes. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this stick note icon. Simply tap on it. Here, now on the right hand side, you'll be able to see this plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. So this is the stick note that is available. Here, you can write any of the idea that you have. So here, type anything that you want. And here on the right top, you can even see the color option. So we can select the color too. So switch to the color that you like, and here on the bottom you'll be able to see this add button. Tap on add. So as you can see, this sticky note has been added. So you can even add others, and it is a type of sticky note or note that you'll get in edits. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.